is going to be for when is this person's feeling going to change for you. Now this is a question that I get very often. People are so much madly into somebody, but the other person is just not into them. And yes, you too may be somebody who has intense feelings for somebody, and that person just doesn't seem to care. So if that is the thing, then this is the perfect video that you have landed onto. Now this is a timeless video, so yes, there could be certain things in this video that will resonate with you. There will be certain things that will not resonate with you. Whatever does not resonate now may resonate in the future, and some things will just not resonate ever. You just have to let it go. Okay, so yeah, so that is it for the introductory part of this video. Yes, telling you something about myself. I am Preeti, and I have been doing tarot since past 19 plus years, and in these 19 years, yes, I have read for like more than 50,000 plus people. And yes, that is where you know that you are in correct hands. Okay, so let's get started. So by when is this person going to have feelings for you? Okay, so I am not asking you any questions like why are you waiting for this person, or does that person have any feelings. Like this is, we are just seeing this in a way that you can get your answers. And just because you just wandered from all over the YouTube and you watched this video, so this video is going to have an answer to your question. So let's get started. I already have laid out, yeah, the cards are actually pretty like low on the floor, that is why you won't be able to see it, but I will be showing you which cards I have pulled out. Okay, so by when is this person going to have feelings for you? So we are going to progress into this reading into, yes, I don't know what. So first of all, it's gonna take longer than expected. The first answer is that. Okay, now this reading is for two different sort of people. Okay, this reading has two different answers. So for some of you, the answer is actually saying that it's gonna take longer than expected. Now you may ask why it is going to take longer. So let's see an answer for that. So for answer to that is, okay, first of all, this card is, yes, that person is going through a breakup. That person is going through a breakup. That person is actually suffering from losing somebody in their life. Okay, it could be a breakup, it could be losing a friendship, it could be losing an important relationship. Yeah, so losing means, yes, that person has left them and went away. So that is the reason that they are actually mourning, crying over what they could not do in that relationship. So yes, this is what that person is doing right now. So you can actually clearly see that this person is literally crying. That person does not have space to raise their head up and look around who else is with them. This person is only engrossed in standing and crying over what has already happened. So yes, this person is going to take some time. The next card we have is this. Also, this person is, okay, now in a very strange way, this could be two different things. Okay, first things could be that this person is already having somebody in their life. Okay, the first thing is they are missing somebody. They are having this trauma of losing somebody. At the same time, they are also with somebody. Now this person does not seem to be emotionally engaged with this person. This person does not have any emotional connection with this person, but there is somewhere or the other, they are connected materialistically. Yes, they could be like codependent on each other, because of which they are not able to leave each other's side, because of which they are just feeling that they are tied up to each other. Okay, so this is what they are feeling currently. And the next card is, yes, in the upcoming time, there is going to be a time when this person is going to want to have a new person in their life, a new person with whom they can actually connect. Okay, so yes, but this is going to take longer, and this is a new person with whom they could codepend. Okay, this is the codependency card. They are codepending on somebody, but that is a codependency they are not enjoying. Okay, like you are terribly feeling tied up with somebody, you don't enjoy that person's company, you don't like that person, you don't like their thoughts, but you just feel that you are stuck in that situation, you cannot do anything. This is what they are feeling. But on the other hand, they are actually also looking forward that someday they will be able to get rid of this person, and they will be actually able to bring a person with whom they can actually feel connected and with whom they can codepend. Okay, so this is the card for that. And yes, so now you may say it's gonna take longer, means how much time? So yes, see how much time a person takes to mourn, how much time a person takes to get over somebody, right? How much time do they take to clear their emotions? This is never written, this can never be written anywhere, right? How much time can a person can a person take so that they can get over their trauma, so that they can get over their emotional setbacks? You cannot predict any of that. Okay, so yes, this is going to say it's going to take longer than expected. Now again, like when I'm saying this, you may actually say, okay, but just give us a hint, just give us a hint whether it's how much longer it's going to take. So I just heard you right, and which is why I'm again going to pull out a few cards for you. And okay, so there are going to be two sort of people who are watching this video again. Okay, yes, this option we are talking about the first option, and the first option is actually, two sort of people are going to watch out. The first option, it says once you let go. Okay, now again there is no specification of time. See, sometimes the stronger you stay attached to something, the longer you stay attached, the longer you stay needy, you stay like crazily waiting for something, the longer it's going to get pushed away from you. So this is what the cards are saying, that you just need to let go. Sometimes when you hold on, sometimes you hold on because you are stressed. Oh my gosh, you don't want to lose it, you don't want to lose that person. And yes, that person just keeps on getting pushed away from you, the more you cling on to them. So once you become less clingy, once you become not clingy at all, after that, yes, that person is going to have feelings for you. Okay, and for the second type of people, okay, now you may say, okay, which type of person I am, if you are too clingy, then this first option was for you. And if you are not too clingy, right, then this is the option for you. Again, this is going to be complicated, right? Because for all the clingy people, they just don't get the word clingy. Oh, but I'm not clingy, but I want to know, why does that person not have any feelings for me? They are so strongly obsessed, they are so clingy, but they just cannot accept it. They just think that they are not being clingy, they just think there is nothing wrong with what they are feeling. Okay, so this is the card. Yes, the second option says is for all the non-clingy people. The card actually says till July. Okay, now again it is July, and the card specification, the year specification is not there. Okay, so yes, this is one crazy thing. This is one crazy thing about timing, because it could be any year. Okay, like if you can let go, if you can just have trust in the universe that someday, if it is meant to be, it's going to meant to be, and that person is going to walk up to you and say that they want to be with you, right? So if it is meant to be, it could be any time, and that will help you to let go easily. But if you are somebody who finds it difficult to let go, then you are going to have a problem. And if you just cannot let go, it could take a few years, right? If you can let go easily, it could be just next year by July. But for somebody, and you may say, okay, but why years? See, sometimes time can do like a lot of miracles. If you cannot let go now, such that next year could be your year, right, when that person's feelings could change. If you cannot do it that easily, then the amount of time it takes to give you something, that much it will take, your expectations will lessen, your your trust and your hope in that situation will lessen, and your clinginess will lessen the more you get the results sooner. Like if I say that, okay, within 2 days you are going to get that person, your clinginess is not going to go away that soon. Okay, so clinginess is something that's it's like fearful attachment. Fearful attachment is not good. Attachment to somebody is there, right? If you care for somebody, if you have feelings for somebody, you are going to want to attach to that person. But there is fearful attachment, which is called clinginess, where you just fear that if you don't get hold of that person right now, you may lose them forever. So that is where that fear arises. No, you don't want to lose that person. But what are you going to do with the person who does not have any feelings for you, right? So you have to have that much clarity. Okay, so just in case, yes. Now for the other option, you may say, okay, was there another option? There was no option. Okay, so for the second type of people, the card says in November. Okay, now there is November. When will this person's feelings change for you? It is going to be by November. Now you may say, okay, which year November? Is it going to be this year November? It's just like a few months ahead. Again, it depends. Okay, it again depends, because let me see why it depends. Okay, November, why November, right? So we are going to have two answers for that. So for that, yes, that person is going to weigh their options. That person is going to judge things. That person is going to judge you, whether you are a good person, whether you're a good company to have, whether you're a good person to rely on. That person is going to judge you. That person is going to watch you. And then, yes, the sooner they are going to be able to judge you correctly, the sooner they are going to come to you. Now, yes, as I said, earlier we saw that person is going through a trauma. Once they are out of that trauma, they will be able to, yes, look out and see who's up for them. Now, when that happens, during that time, they will be judging. Okay, so when they will be judging, then they will be judging, and then they will actually come to a conclusion that you could be a potential good person to be with. But that could take some time. So it could be this year November, it could be next year November. And this card says, even though that person is going to accept you, even though that person is actually going to accept you with warm heart, there is going to be some or the other darkness that's going to lurk around with them. Okay, so yes, because of what they are going through, there is going to be some sort of darkness. So you need to be prepared. You need to be prepared for that. Okay, so yeah, so that is it for today's reading. I hope that this video can help you. If you have liked this video, hit the like button. Try to share this video with other people. I will see you again in my next video. Do stay subscribed to my channel. Let me know in the comments below, how does this video help you? And before I end this video, yes, if you feel that after watching this entire video, you have some additional questions you want to ask me from tarot, then by all means you can do it. But yes, for that you will first have to book a consultation. This video that you are watching is for free, but if you want more of my help, then you have to book a consultation. Please visit my website. The website link is given on the screen, and yes, you can visit my website. Check out all the different consultations. There are 30-minute, 60-minute and 90-minute consultations. You can actually select the consultation based on how many questions that you have. Sometimes people tell me, oh, I just have one question, and that one question will last for like 90 minutes. Okay, so yes, based on the depth of the reading, yes, that is how much you have to consider. And if you don't know how much time it will take, you can just initially book 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the consultation, the call, yes, the consultation happens via a call or via a video call, and after 30 minutes the call will disconnect. If you have more questions, you will have to rebook the appointment. Okay, so yeah, so that is it for today's video. I hope that you like it. Until next time, keep following the path of your soul's purpose, because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.